Hi, in this video I will show you how to get a free virtual credit card online for online trails. So the process is pretty simple. So whenever you have to purchase something or make some purchasing from online, like you have to pay Netflix bills, and if you want to renew your Spotify subscription, you need some credit or debit card for your payments. So in this video I will show you how to get the virtual credit card to do these purchases. If you don't have any credit card now, it's not a big worry. So simply, first of all, you have to search for this skrill.com on your browser, any browser you are using, and once you will search for it, you will see screen like this. Also you will see a register button here. Simply you have to tap on it, and once you will tap on it, you will see a form that you have to fill. And once you will register on the Skrill, you have to simply open it, and you will see this type of the interface on your Skrill account. So here you will see multiple options like dashboard, deposit, withdraw, send, crypto, and also you will see a Skrill card. So you have to click on the Skrill card, and you will see two types of the card, like physical card and the virtual card. You have to select the virtual card because physical card is not available on it right now. So you can select virtual card, and also you will see a card number here. You have to copy that card and use it as virtual card to make your online purchasing. So in this way you can get the virtual cards for your online shopping. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.